Smith & Wesson, Governor. Chambered in, 410. Rifled hollow slug. 6 rounds. Here we go. That's the only part I'm not a fan of. I gotta use a Gerber tool to pull these slugs, or what's left, the shells, out of the chamber. Of course, this is not mine. This is a rental one. I like it. I like the way it feels. All right, so this is how I did. Right, got your center mass and your all overs and stuff like that. And some of this is the wadding, right? Some of this is the wadding from the slug, right? So, what are your thoughts? I like it. I like the way it feels, right? And it's quicker to use than an actual shotgun, in my opinion. You know, the felt recoil, it wasn't much for me. I can't say it wouldn't be much for you. I don't know, but I like it, especially for a home defense tool. I like this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and purchase one and start, you know, putting people test tries to see how they like it. Okay. Price point's not bad on it either. And I already have a revolver that I carry daily by Smith & Wesson, the Bodyguard 38, okay? And carry speed loaders, right? Yeah. What are your thoughts?